How to disable erase data on iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Face ID and Passcode. Enter your current passcode over here. You will then be brought to the Face ID and Passcode settings page. Over here, you can manage apps using Face ID and other iPhone access settings, set up alternative appearances and change your passcode. Now, scroll down to the end and go to Erase Data. This setting erases all data on this iPhone after 10 failed passcode attempts. If you want to disable this setting, then turn off the Erase Data switch. Following these steps, you can easily disable erase data on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.